Now in this exercise, for chord 1, we play do, re, mi. Then when we get to fa, we apply chord 4. That is do, re, mi, fa, chord 1 and chord 4. You calculate your chord properly and make sure that your chords sound immediately you play the first note of the melody you are applying it for. Do, re, mi, fa. You start with chord 1 with do. Then you move to chord 4 when you play your fa on the right hand and you apply the chord 4. You are still going to remain in chord 4. Fa, mi, still in chord 4. Fa, mi, re, do. Then you go to chord 1. Then for chord 5, sol, la, ti. You play your chord 5. You play your chord 5. Don't forget you can pause the video in order to master the exercise perfectly well. Let's try it now. Do, re, mi, fa. Fa, mi, re, do. Sol, la, ti. Do, sol, mi, do. So children, that is all for today. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.